just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
Alright YouTube, so as you can see, this is a subwoofer cabinet. It's made out of MDF, very good quality MDF, and as you can see, this is the L-shaped enclosure, and the L started from here, there it is, and that's the end of it. So the air will push through down here and it will go up and it will come out from here. So that's the L-shape enclosure. This is a 12-inch subwoofer enclosure, and it's quite a bit big and heavy. Why I'm telling you this is the best one, just because one of my friends already have this one, and I have listened to the sound of it, and this is very nice, so deep, and a heavy bass that you can feel, that can shake your room. So that kind of enclosure this is, and I'm gonna use it obviously for my home entertainment purpose. I'm gonna put my Sony Explode 12-inch subwoofer. So that's it. And the only problem is I don't see any speaker terminal anywhere on any side. I cannot see that. So the only thing is that I'm going to make a hole at the back of it for the speaker terminal, and then I can use it. So that's it. That was unboxing video of this amazing 12-inch subwoofer enclosure, and this is from Viper Audio. I bought it from Amazon, and this thing cost me $2,900 like that. And today I got it delivered, and I'm gonna keep the link in the description below so you can buy it from there. And that's it. That's all for today. Later I'm gonna put that Sony subwoofer in the ear, and but before that I'm gonna make a hole at the back for the speaker terminals. So stay tuned for that. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.